Hello foodies! Today I'll show you another original fusion recipe of mine called Zataar Paneer Potato Bhurji. It is a short and simple recipe with some specialty ingredients that give it a unique taste. It is delicious and Moorish. For this recipe, I'll be using 500 grams of homemade paneer, 1 diced baked potato, 2 sliced shallots, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and some garlic shoots, some raw cashew nuts, some golden raisins, some khoya, which is dehydrated milk solids, and a special blend of Middle Eastern spices called Za'atar. This is Zaatar Jenin from Palestine, sent to me by my globe-trotting kid sister. Let's heat some oil in a pot. Add the cashews and raisins and fry them for a minute to brown them up, and then take them out. Add the shallots and garlic to the pot. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the garlic shoots and give the pot a stir. Then add 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder and stir it in. Now it's time to add the diced baked potato into the pot and fry really well for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the crumbled paneer to the pot and mix it in and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of Zataar Jenin to the pot. Mix it in. Add more Za'atar if needed. Then add the khoya to the pot. Mix it in. Add salt according to your taste. Give the pot a stir. And finally it's time to add the cashew and raisins and mix them in. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar if you wish and mix it in. And our Zataar Paneer Potato Bhurji is ready to be plated up. Garnish with some additional Zataar Jenin on top and serve with naans or bread. Zataar Paneer Potato Bhurji is a quick, flavorful fusion recipe which is very Moorish and is a hit in my home. Give it a try and enjoy.